The exciting new pullout on this project, when we changed the sink to a single bowl, that moved the disposal, reconfigured everything. We added an air switch, moved the water dispenser, tried to create some more room here, and then retrofitted one of these guys and had to notch it out because of the pullout from the faucet. But after much work, created a soft closing cabinet drawer. And to make this work, I had to fill in a spot here on the cabinet so that the releases, the clips rather, were in good shape there to be able to fit with the 21-inch slides, and to notch out the cabinet. And then back here, to make this work, had to dig in a little bit past the vanity wall and screw into a stud on the wall behind it. On this side, can't see it now, I've got it taped up, but I actually had to put in a mount there. These are PVC, and wanted to do that because it's a wet area and made it look good. And got this guy braced here, and it just happens to clear the other existing cabinet. So we've done our best to make something usable. A lot of work, a lot of learning, and hopefully serves us for years to come.